All right, this is a tutorial on how to submit your work records. And this is, of course, purely fictitious. Um, but let's say, you get your email saying to submit your invoice. As you know, the IRS requires independent contractors to submit invoices in order to get paid. This is not a W-2 employment uh, relationship. This is 1099. You are an independent contractor. You do have a work from home business, and you are basically invoicing us as we send you your work records of what we believe is what you basically did with working for Rise. So again, you can also log in to your account. Again, this is a fictitious account. If you go to my account right here, okay, you'll be able to see your basic stuff. You can go right here to work records, or you can go right here, my work record, or you can go right here. We have it different places, my work records. Okay, so you go here, okay, and you'll be able to see it. You can click this link to open it up, or you can download the PDF, or you can email even yourself. Okay, so here's the work record, right? Now you need to submit your invoice. So you would come here and click this right here. Okay, and this gives you instruction about the work record. We will be putting the video of this tutorial right here to remind you. Okay, so your name should already be in there. Your email should be in there. So now you want to put invoice number of work record. So that invoice number is here. Okay. All right. So you want to put that here. Okay. And remember, anything that's red, you need to put in either 0 or put the data. Okay. So period worked. This will usually have that on the invoice. In fact, let me go ahead and do that now. So let's say it'll usually be on the invoice. So it'll be right here, July 16th to 31st. So basically, this is for, remember, Arise pays us for work done from 1st to the 15th. And usually payment comes a week or so after. And then work done from 16th to the last day of the month. And then usually, if you work from the 16th to the 31st, you get paid anywhere between the 1st and the 15th of the next month. And we got the pay dates here, agent pay dates right here. There's a calendar. Okay, so this one is for July 16th to the 31st. Now, intervals or minutes worked. If you open it up, it says I work for Comcast for 15 intervals. Intervals are 30-minute increments, or sometimes some of the companies will pay you per minute, which ends up being anywhere from $10 to $20 per hour. But again, here I worked 15 intervals at $5.50 per interval, which is $11 an hour. And I'm putting this here, right here, 15. Now, if it says like 15.4, 15.30, just put the number that's closest to the round it off to the nearest number. Okay, it doesn't matter because over here in the invoice and the work record we have the exact minutes. It'll be like 15.4 or whatever. Okay, and then here income, bonus, and incentives. This particular work record doesn't have that. So what you want to do is you want to just put 0, 0. Gross income earned is the total income earned. So it was 8250 was the gross income earned. That's the money that you earn, not your fees. Okay, and you put that there. here it was 8250. Expense arise platform expense. It's $19.95. Your agent support fee here, as you can see, is $24.95. Other fees, there was none. So I'll put $0. Total expenses, you want to just add these two fees. So $19.95 plus 24. Yeah. $44.90. So I just put boom. Okay. Net income earned. This is after your expenses. Okay. You got your gross, then you got your expenses. So your net comes from right here. It's usually this. $37.60. Okay. If you have any comments, you could just write them here. Thank you. You're doing a great job. And if you have your own home-based business invoice that you would like to upload with like your company banner and letterhead, you can just go ahead and upload it here. And you hit submit. And you should get a copy. And you can see it's right here. You could open up all your work records are here. I mean, your submission history is right here. Okay. And you can see, open this up, it'll show you the date and time you submitted it, and this is the data right here. Okay, and then this is your agent invoice code or your invoice number that you're giving to us. Okay, now if there's a dispute about the invoice and you want to get paid, I would go ahead and submit the invoice as it is, as based on the work record you received, and then submit a dispute form. Okay, and then here you put invoice number disputing, it's actually the work record invoice number. You put your name, dispute date happened, explain the dispute, and hit submit. And then your history will be right here of all those disputes. Okay, I would do that so you don't delay your payment. Okay, so again, this is your work record sent to you by Arise and Us. Here you submit your invoice. Here you can see all your invoice submission history. Here you can submit dispute. Here you can submit, or you can see your dispute records. All right, thanks.